This is what my grain spawn looks like. It's still a little hot, fresh out of the Instapot, 140 minutes, and ready for inoculation after they cool down. I did these two out of mini, and these two, as you can see, contaminated. This is probably good mycelium on the bottom, but this one I can't identify. But it's not white. It looks sort of grayish green. As I said, there may be some good mycelium in here, but that is contamination. So will an Instapot kill contamination? Jars with water in here. And well, let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to hit pressure, turn the keep warm off, and I've got it to 140 minutes, which is what I do all my pressuring for grain spawn. And so let's see what happens. Our extra containers of water. Here is number 1. Looks pretty dead. Looks pretty brown up there. There's number 2. It's odd, but maybe that's it where it's turned brown. Contamination is here. So I'm going to put those back in a separate dark space and see if anything can grow from those or if it just stays dead. Here, out of 2 out of 12, I got contamination. I got the green mold at the top, and the brown, you can see, was the mycelium. And I noticed that the green, I'm not sure, but it looks like where the mycelium was, the mushroom mycelium, it's starting to grow again. See here? I don't know if the green will grow again, but the mycelium that was coming up from the bottom in this jar appears to be regrowing. It's been 4 days, and you can see right there. I can see here maybe. It was just solid brown. Here I can see the mycelium grow. Here the mycelium seems to be growing. Here it seems to be growing. We will see. So it seems that I was wrong. It is not growing in any way. It's been 3 months and there has been no new activity. The whiteness that I saw was just the moisture leaving it from being put in the pressure cooker. And 3 months later, and there's no new growth. It looks exactly the same. The Instapot appears to have killed the contamination and killed the mycelium. Nothing is growing except for I left the band finger tight, and one of these, maybe I was wrong. And one of these, I thought I saw some type of little critter, but I guess I was wrong. Yeah, I was wrong. It was just a quick little thing. So see, everything's exactly the same. 3 months later, and the Instapot, 140 minutes, seems to have won the battle. Contamination is killed, so therefore I feel like that with nothing else growing in here, the Instapot has done its job, and we don't have to worry about contamination because we didn't use a regular pressure cooker. I think the Instapot at 140 minutes for a pint jar, which is 12 psi, is adequate.